Welcome to the Herbal Keys. As the long, gray days of January continue, many people experience the weight of the winter blues. It is common for moods to dip when sunlight is scarce and time is spent indoors. This guide explores 7 powerful herbs that provide natural support for the spirit during these months, known to lift the mood and soothe anxiety during the darkest month of the year. Let's explore these botanical tools for maintaining inner resilience and balance together. Before we dig into these herbal allies for the winter blues, please subscribe to the Herbal Keys. Staying connected ensures regular access to seasonal guides for natural living. If this information is helpful, using the like and hype buttons assists in sharing these wellness strategies with others who may benefit from them right now. For exclusive content and deeper herbal wisdom, consider selecting the Join button to become a channel member. Now, let's examine the first herb used historically for emotional support and a sense of lightheartedness. Lemon balm is traditionally recognized as a gladdening herb. This member of the mint family has been utilized for centuries to alleviate melancholy and restore a sense of lightheartedness to the spirit. For effective use, a fresh or dried leaf infusion is standard practice. Just add 2 tablespoons of the herb per cup of hot water. Steep for 10 minutes while keeping the mug covered to retain the volatile aromatic oils. The bright, citrusy scent begins the process of lifting a heavy winter mood through its simple aromatherapy. Lemon balm acts as a gentle nervine, specifically targeting and calming the nervous system. It is particularly effective when seasonal stress is accompanied by digestive tension or headaches. Because this herb is safe and mild, several cups can be consumed throughout the day for ongoing support. Lemon balm can also be infused into honey to be stirred into evening teas, providing a concentrated dose of botanical brightness. It serves as a simple and effective way to signal to the body and mind that relaxation and a positive shift in mood are now possible. St. John's wort is a primary herb utilized for seasonal mood support. It blooms during the height of summer, effectively capturing the sun's energy within its vibrant yellow petals. Utilizing it during the winter months brings that stored energy into the body to support emotional wellness. For mood-lifting properties, a high-quality tincture is often considered the most efficient delivery method. This herb works cumulatively over time to help rebuild resilience against the persistent grayness of the winter season. St. John's wort assists in regulating the neurotransmitters responsible for mood and sleep cycles, like helping to clear the mental fog that often results from spending excessive time under artificial lighting. It is critical to note that this herb can interact with numerous medications, so professional consultation is required before beginning use. When used safely, it serves as a powerful ally for emotional health. This plant provides a strong biological reminder that the vitality of summer remains accessible even during a cold and sunless January. Holy basil, also known as Tulsi, is highly regarded for its ability to balance both the body and the mind. As an adaptogen, Tulsi assists the system in adapting to the unique stressors of winter, whether they are physical or emotional in nature. To access these benefits, prepare a strong tea using 1 tablespoon of dried leaves. The herb possesses a unique, spicy, and clove-like aroma that centers the mind and encourages a sense of calm. It is a foundational plant in traditional wellness systems for promoting long-term stability and a centered emotional state. Tulsi is effective for clearing the stagnant energy that often develops from remaining indoors for extended periods. It helps lower cortisol levels, reducing the restless feelings associated with seasonal confinement. Daily consumption of Tulsi tea can assist in maintaining a clear perspective and a sense of balance. It is a traditional herb that encourages deep breathing and the preservation of inner peace regardless of external environmental challenges. It protects the nervous system from the typical stressors encountered during the long and difficult late winter months. Ashwagandha is a powerful medicinal root that provides deep nourishment when the system feels depleted or overstimulated. If seasonal changes lead to insomnia or burnout, this root serves as a primary support. Traditionally, the powder is mixed into warm milk or a milk alternative before sleep. Use half a teaspoon of the powder and whisk it into the liquid with a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. This bedtime ritual grounds the body's energy and prepares the nervous system for a restorative night of sleep, which is essential for maintaining emotional health. Ashwagandha helps rebuild the adrenal system and provides the physiological strength required to face cold winter mornings without feeling completely exhausted. Unlike stimulants that offer a temporary boost, ashwagandha works by strengthening the body's foundational resilience over several weeks of consistent use. It helps create a more stable internal environment that is less reactive to daily stressors. It is an essential root for those who feel their energy levels are running low during the long, sunless stretch of the winter and spring months. Milky oats are considered a primary nerve food in herbal medicine. When the system feels overextended or sensitive due to seasonal stress, this plant provides essential support. It is harvested when the seeds are in a specific milky stage, when they are most concentrated with minerals and nutrients. The most effective preparation for milky oats is typically a fresh plant tincture. This acts as a soothing balm for the nerves, providing the necessary materials to repair itself. It is gentle, non-sedating, and supports long-term emotional health. Milky oats provide a protective layer for the nervous system, helping to buffer the impact of external stressors. They are particularly beneficial for those experiencing burnout from excessive work or prolonged screen time. By nourishing the nerves directly, the herb allows the body's natural state of calm to resurface over time. It provides the body with gentle, supportive nourishment rather than constant stimulation. This herb is a cornerstone for maintaining emotional stability and resilience throughout the challenging and dark winter season. Skullcap is a medicinal plant used to quiet an overactive mind that may interfere with rest. If seasonal stress leads to racing thoughts or mental restlessness, this herb provides a calming influence. It helps reduce mental chatter, allowing for a state of internal stillness and clarity. Skullcap can be consumed as a tea or taken as a tincture before bed. The flavor is mild and slightly grassy, pairing well with a small amount of honey. It creates a peaceful internal environment that is highly conducive to deep and restorative sleep. Skullcap is also used to release physical tension held in the neck and shoulders, which often accompanies mental stress. By relaxing the physical body, the herb makes it easier for the mind to reach a state of calm. It is frequently utilized by those who feel easily startled or on edge during the cold months. It assists in establishing emotional boundaries, helping a person feel more centered and secure in their own space. This plant is a vital tool for navigating the transition from the busy holidays into the quiet energy of late January. Rose petals are utilized in herbal medicine for their profound support of the emotional heart. During the winter, feelings of heaviness or sadness can be comforted by the gentle and uplifting energy of this flower. To create a heart-supporting infusion, add 1 tablespoon of dried rose petals to a standard tea blend. The natural fragrance serves as an immediate mood lifter, providing a sensory reminder of beauty and sweetness. Rose is a classic botanical tool for maintaining emotional warmth during the coldest and darkest parts of the year. Rose acts as a mild antidepressant and a powerful nervine that helps open the emotional heart to release sadness and provides a sense of comfort during times of isolation. Rose petals can be infused into sugar or honey to incorporate their uplifting properties into a daily routine. A single cup of rose-infused tea can assist in shifting a person's perspective from a place of difficulty to one of balance. This flower serves as a reminder that sensory beauty is an important component of health and that it remains accessible year-round through simple herbal preparation. The winter months represent a time for deep rest and internal reflection. By incorporating these 7 supportive herbs into a daily routine, the system receives the nourishment necessary to maintain wellness until the return of spring. Each plant offers a unique path toward emotional stability, from the gladdening properties of lemon balm to the grounding strength of ashwagandha. Nature provides a variety of tools to support health through every season, utilizing botanical sunshine to maintain a positive and resilient spirit throughout the remainder of January and into the upcoming spring season. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today at the Herbal Keys. We truly appreciate your dedication to learning about natural wellness and seasonal herbal support. If you found this guide a helpful resource for your January wellness routine, please consider subscribing to the channel and selecting the like button. Your engagement assists us in providing botanical education to others. For those interested in additional perks, the Join button is available for channel membership. Until next time, stay well, my friends, and continue exploring the healing power of herbs.